Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to learn about the if statement and if else statement. So what is an if statement? Basically, if statement, they're also called a control structure. Basically, in programming we have a bunch of instructions that they get executed in an order. If help me to control the order of execution of a program. How? Let's see. The first one we have if statement. And the syntax of a statement is like this. You write if, and then you open a parentheses, you write the expression that you want, and then you write the statement. Okay, here I'm saying that the x value is 10. If the value of x greater than 5, I want you to print number is greater than 5. That's it. So if the value of x is greater than 5, here we have 10, and 10 is greater than 5, so the print will be printed, number is greater than 5. The whole sentence will be printed. This is the flow of the if statement. We have test expression, and the test expression is this is the test expression. If it's false, it will end. It won't go to the body, which is this one. It will go at the end, which is nothing will be printed. But if it's true, just like we are right now, we have it here, it's true, which is 10 is greater than 5, so it's true. So the body of if is number is greater than 5. I want it to print number is greater than 5, so this will be printed in the console. Easy peasy. Okay, let's go to the next one. Now what is the if and else statement? Here, this is the syntax. If test expression statement, till now we are the just like the previous one here. Okay, but then we have else. Where's the number? The pen disappeared. Okay, and then we have else. We have the second statement. So the if and else have more than one statement, and this is the flow. I'm going to check the test expression, which is this one. If it's false, it will go to the body of else. If it's true, it's gonna go body of if. Previously we had only this. Now we have an additional statement. Let's go and see the example. Here the value of x is 15. So x equal to 15. If x is greater than 0, then I want you to print that x is a positive number. Else it will print x is negative number. So here x is 15, and 15 is greater than 0. Yes, so it's true. So it's going to go to the body of if, which is this will be printed. If later on I change the 15 to make it minus 15 is not greater than 0, it will go to the else, and it's going to print the x is negative number. Now let's go to the RStudio and practice this thing. Okay, let's go.